on my mind. I knew it for a long time. I've been thinking maybe that you should know. Hey, baby, can we compromise? I really want you to be mine. I got a million places that we could go. I wanna be your everything. I wanna be the one you need. So tell me where you've been all my life. Gonna make you mine tonight. Hey, baby, you got what I need. But you say you're just a friend. Yeah, you say you're just a friend. Oh, baby, you got what I need. But you say you're just a friend. Yeah, you say you're just a friend. In Carol City, spent most of my nights. I'm trying to make the world whistle. Listen, most of my life I done made them all get low. Bring it back right around, let the good times roll. I'm feeling good right now. But I remember with my key 1989 or maybe 90s. Came to me like the song I wrote. I'm cutting class, chasing you, cause you all I want. I am. You got what I need. And do not, I'll just pretend until I can get your friend. I'm playing though. Maybe there's a little truth sprinkle in them. I can catch your eyes and I can see the twinkle in them. I thought we'd be together till I see the wrinkle in them, but I guess not. Hey baby, sing it. You got what I need. What?
But you say you're just a friend.
Yeah, you say you're just a friend. Oh baby, you got what I need. But you say you're just a friend. Yeah, you say you're just a friend.
Yes!
Thank you.
Austin, listen up. Maryland has been such a great crowd so far. Why don't we let 3 more people ask a question?
Oh my God!
Good question. Let's go over here. Who's got a question over here? Zach, find someone over here, Zach, in the middle, and we'll get someone over here. Who do you think has a question? Let's go right here and jump it up and down. Right there, you. Yeah, what's your name?
Austin.
Oh yeah.
I heard that, yeah. No.
Austin.
I was gonna go to IHOP, but then this guy told me it was gonna be too busy, so he talked me out of it.
Austin, I have a really good question. Robert.
Who's got a question over here? Who's got a good question? Okay, right there. What's your name?